In this video, you'll discover the best natural sweeteners. Hey, it's Dr. Zarowski, and if you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, join our notification community so that I can help you excel your health and your life. In this video, we're talking about natural sweeteners or natural sugar. I think this is a really important topic because I see a lot of people who are on the ketogenic diet, a diet with no sugar at all, and then they cycle out of it and they'll consume some foods with low amounts of sugar in it, but really low quality sugar like high fructose corn syrup or even bleached white sugar. And I'll also see these same people allow their kids to have these different sugars. It's going to drive inflammation in the body, but it's also going to work as an anti-nutrient. There's some better alternatives out there, and with the holidays around the corner, we want to know what those better alternatives are, so when you're making your different baked goods that contain sugar in it, you're turning to these better alternatives. Now, the first here on our list is raw honey. Raw honey is really great because it has a good nutrient profile. It has B vitamins in it, antioxidants, enzymes, and also minerals. Raw honey is also known as nature's perfect food because it lasts forever and also a superfood. And you can use raw honey, especially local raw honey, if you have allergies, and it will support you with that. And it also can be used as a natural remedy to support skin irritation. Next here on our list is dates. Now, dates are really great because they can be used in a lot of ways. So first of all, they're very sweet. They have B vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, and a little bit of fiber in them. But you can blend them up and make some really great energy bars with them. You can throw them in a smoothie to sweeten it up a little bit. But you can also make a date paste with them and then use it when making baked goods. I'll put a link below to a really good date paste that you can make. Next here on our list is coconut sugar. It has minerals, antioxidants, and a little bit of fiber in it. And then lastly, maple syrup, which has antioxidants and minerals in it as well. Now, when we look at these natural sweeteners, there's going to be high quality options and low quality options. So when it comes to honey, for instance, I specifically put raw honey because if you buy pasteurized honey, it's going to kill a lot of the enzyme activity. It's going to kill a lot of the benefits that honey has to offer. So using it raw is always going to be more beneficial. It'll have a much stronger nutrient profile. When we look at maple syrup, much of the maple syrup out there is actually a low quality sweetener like high fructose corn syrup that is maple flavored. So we want to make sure that we avoid that whenever possible too. Now, when possible, buy these in organic. If you can't buy an organic, then look to a local farmer's market because I know that a lot of locals around me actually make their own maple syrup. They make their own honey with their own bees in their backyard, and so it's very easy to get really good quality sources at a good, reasonable price. Once again, when we look at these natural sweeteners, these natural sugars, remember it is still sugar. It should still be consumed in very minimal amounts because too much sugar is never a healthy thing for the body. If you want to learn more about sugar, check out the videos that I've done on them. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.